To enable continuous stress tracking on your Galaxy Watch to monitor daily stress, you can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap health. Under measurement section, tap stress, and then select measure continuously. With this setting, your watch will now monitor your stress level all day in the background. Given to the function, you can use this feature when you want to keep an eye on your emotional well-being throughout the day. With this feature, you can better understand what triggers stress and take steps to manage it before it builds up. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.